Did Chinese President Xi Jinping tell the United States it is a declining power during his high-stakes meeting with President Donald Trump? And more importantly, did Trump agree with that assessment? Hello and welcome, I am Harshita Pratap Singh. A new diplomatic controversy is now emerging from Trump's recent Beijing visit, where discussions on trade, power balance and global security quickly spilled into a debate about America's standing in the world. During the latest phase of high-level US-China engagements in Beijing, attention has shifted from policy discussions to a politically charged interpretation of remarks exchanged between Xi Jinping and Donald Trump. According to Trump's own public statements on Truth Social, Xi allegedly referred to the United States as perhaps a declining nation, while discussing global stability and the future of US-China relations. However, there is no official confirmation that Xi used that exact phrase in public remarks. Instead, Xi has previously spoken in strategic terms about avoiding the so-called Thucydides trap, a theory in international relations which suggests that tensions often rise when an emerging power challenges an established superpower. That framework has long been used in US-China diplomacy discussions to describe rising competition between Beijing and Washington, without explicitly declaring either side as declining or dominant. Trump, however, interpreted the conversation differently. In his post, he claimed Xi was not criticizing the United States in its current form, but rather referring to what Trump described as the Biden administration policies over the past 4 years. He went further, saying he fully agreed with the idea that the United States has faced a period of decline under previous leadership, citing issues such as immigration policy, trade decisions, and domestic economic challenges. At the same time, Trump insisted that the United States is now experiencing what he called a strong resurgence, pointing to economic growth, job creation, and investment inflows during the political leadership narrative. The remarks have sparked a wider debate in Washington and beyond, as analysts question whether this reflects diplomatic messaging, political framing, or a strategic reinterpretation of Xi's words for domestic audiences. Meanwhile, China has not endorsed Trump's version of events. Beijing has maintained its focus on broader themes discussed during the meeting, including trade stability, technological competition, and regional security concerns, particularly around Taiwan and global supply chains. Xi, in his formal engagement, reportedly emphasized the importance of avoiding miscalculation between the world's two largest economies, warning that tensions could escalate if core disputes are not carefully managed. In that context, references to long-standing theories like the Thucydides trap are seen as a strategic caution rather than direct commentary on national decline. For now, what remains unclear is not just what was said behind closed doors, but how much of it is diplomacy and how much is potential messaging reshaped for a global audience. Thank you for watching NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.